Alright, just a quick video here for you. So, every time I shop for ammo, whether it's shotgun ammo or handgun ammo or revolver or whatever it is, or rifle ammunition, I always tend to get a couple of boxes of 22s because they're so cheap, right? And you gotta have a 22 as a backup or just in your collection or in your gun cabinet, or I mean, 22s are just amazing to plink with, to have fun with, to practice with, and don't underestimate the power of the 22, right? So tiny little bullets, these two here. So per box, I think I paid about $3.50 for each box, and there's 50 in each one of them. So this is the Aguila hollow point. This one is the high velocity 22 long rifle, 38 grain, 40 grain. This one, they're both copper plated. This is the hollow point, this is the solid point. And let's go ahead and take a look and see it, and just take a look at the difference real quick. All right, just take them out of here. Actually, let me just do this not in front of the camera because. All right, so this is the first one right here, which is the hollow point. And let's take a look at the other one, which is the solid point. Right, so let me take one out. Damn, these are so. Okay. All right, I got it. You know what? Let's just put them side by side, and let me put the camera close to it. Let's do that. Let's see if that works. So here they are. Unless you can see. There's no primer. And here they are side by side. You can see the hollow point, but it is just a little different. Let's see if it, yeah, that's probably a better way of looking at it. Let's see if I can get a little bit more closer with this. But yeah, that's probably the best angle I can get with them. So these are tiny little bullets. Let's do it side by side. Let me put a 9mm next to it and a 38 special just to see the difference, right? So stand them back up again. So here I have the 38 special. We'll do a 9mm next to it. Okay. So this is a Winchester 9mm, and this right here is the Celery and Bellow on the left, which is the 38 special. So you see the difference in size is pretty big, right? And they're all tiny little handgun bullets, but yeah, there they are. Okay, anyway, just a side by side. All right, so that's it for this video. Leave me in the comments. Let me know what you like to shoot. If you have any questions, comments, just let me know. All right, we'll see you all in the next one. You all have a wonderful rest of the day. Hit the like and subscribe. And I'll be doing more videos this weekend, so I got more coming for y'all. All right, see y'all. Bye.